Hello everyone, in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can easily create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11. By following the few simple steps that I show you, now you will be able to create desktop shortcuts in Windows 11 very easily. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you don't make any mistakes by saying that. Let's start the video. At first, tap on this start icon or this window icon right here and tap on the option called all, which is in the top right. Then you'll be able to see all the applications. And to create a desktop shortcuts in Windows 11, at first you have to select the application of which you want to create shortcut. Let's say I want to create the shortcut of calculators, and to create the shortcut of this calculator, you have to do a right click and drag this application to your desktop and release it. Like this, you can create desktop shortcuts in your Windows 11. Let's repeat one more time. Tap on this start icon and tap on this all option and select any application that you like, and then do a right click, drag to the desktop page and release it. Like this you can create a desktop shortcut in Windows 11. So my friend, that's it. If you find this video helpful even 1%, consider subscribing and leave a like. I'll be back with another problem solving video like this. Thanks for watching.